Hi guys! Welcome to Foodie's Mango Prime Entertainment. My name is Sumaiya.
And I'm Soha, and today we have a really exciting video for you all.
Today we're going to be rating and reviewing 6 bubble tea cafes in the local South Jersey area.
So we're going to be trying the classic milk tea as a baseline, and then from each cafe we're going to try their respective customer favorite or just signature
Best sellers and whatnot?
Yeah, exactly. Alright guys, our first stop is Frozen Boba. Let's go.
Let's go!
We just got back from Frozen Boba. Our drinks look super cute.
I love this detail.
Right? They're so cute. I love them. Now, where are we going now?
We are going to Bubblicious Lab.
Right. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we have done 4 out of the 6 places so far. It is hot out.
I don't know why we decided to choose this day for filming.
We decided to film on literally the hottest day.
It's 101 degrees. We're not faring well. I'm glad that there's a filter on the camera.
We will check back in with you once we've got the last of our boba, and then we'll finally do our review.
Yes, exciting.
We're finally back from getting the boba, and we're ready to try them all for you. We got them from where again?
We got them from 6 different shops. We got them from Tito, Kung Fu Tea, Bubblicious Lab, Frozen Boba, Mr. Wish, and Yucha.
Let's get into it.
Awesome.
First we got Frozen Boba.
All right, so with all of the bubble tea cafes that we visited, we decided to buy 2 drinks from each cafe. One of them are going to be the regular bubble tea milk tea drink, and then the second one is going to be the fan favorite, the best seller of the cafe, and or a signature drink that the cafe offers.
Yep.
Yep.
So the customer favorite that Frozen Boba recommended was strawberry boba. So let's just try it.
Yep.
I'm excited.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
I like it.
I think it's good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's like, I like it because it doesn't taste like, like Nesquik, like strawberry milk. You know?
That's a good comparison.
Right? Like, it tastes like, it tastes good. It's like kind of refreshing, and I don't know, it's good. I like it.
I like this one.
The boba is good as well, I think.
Yeah.
I think it's just a little hard because it's been out all day.
Yeah, that's true. It's pretty
I
good.
think it's good, yeah. All right,
Should we
let's switch.
That's impressive.
Also, I love these little hearts on here.
Yes,
like
yes.
these get an extra point itself.
Yeah.
But
I agree. Oh wow!
oh, I like this one better.
I like this one better too.
Okay, good. So I can keep that.
Yeah, I can keep this one. The strawberry is really nice. I can actually taste a couple like strawberry pieces in it. That's actually really nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a nice dimension.
I like this. I think this tastes like it's a good starter boba if you don't like love like the tea flavor
That
too
makes
much.
sense, yeah.
You know, like I would, if it's your first time getting boba, like you can get this.
The heart adds an extra point in my opinion. I personally would rate it because this strawberry tea is bomb. It's actually really good.
I really like this.
I think I
don't think
would
it's
rate
too
this
sweet either.
maybe like a 4.5, honestly.
Me too. I think I get a 4.5.
Yeah?
I agree with that.
All right then.
All right,
4.5 it is.
4.5.
Awesome.
All right,
All right.
our next place is Sumaiya's favorite.
Okay, listen.
Yucha.
Do you see these cups?
These cups are so cute.
Look how beautiful these cups are.
I'm really vibing with these.
I love everything about this place. And honestly, this is my regular boba place. This is where I go.
Oh, yeah?
Because they sell this really nice flavor.
Okay, yeah.
It's called their messy milk tea, right? And this is the run-of-the-mill, tea, the milk tea that we bought for all of the stores that we visited. But this one is special because it has brown sugar boba in it. And that gives it just this extra dimension of flavor that's just so, so good.
And then the customer favorite that we were recommended was the messy mango tea?
Yes, yeah. Messy mango milk tea.
Messy mango milk tea.
Yeah.
And so... But, I don't know. It's really cute. I don't know. I'm excited for it.
I am too. Let's try it. I love this. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I don't know. I don't taste the tea. I just taste the milk.
Okay, you know what? Yeah, I can see why.
It's very milky. There's no tea in it.
These are heavy milk based teas. Actually, they
but like I don't even taste tea. Like I know this is a milk tea, you know?
Mm-hmm.
This is just milk.
I don't know. I mean, I really like it. I think that it's really refreshing. And this is actually yeah.
Okay, maybe
cold milk. That's refreshing.
Okay.
That's refreshing. It's good.
Maybe I just don't like milk.
I don't know.
I'm not feeling it.
We'll do a switcheroo and we'll see. Maybe
Yeah.
she'll like this one.
Dude, this one's just dude.
It's heavy. It's milk based.
It's not milk based, it's milk.
It's literally.
I'm drinking milk with boba.
You should stir it more. Maybe you'll get more brown sugar.
Stir it more.
This one's okay.
I'm not drinking it again.
Okay, alright. Well then, Soha does not like this.
It's a no from me.
I love this. I think this is one of my favorite shops, like I said before. The packaging is great. I'm not actually a fan of this specific flavor, though. Let's go on to rate it, because we could talk about this all day.
The cup is adorable.
Yes,
I like the design. Minimalistic. It's a cute little...
I like the rounded bottom.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, it feels like it should, like, topple over, but it doesn't.
There's a little quote on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Life is like a cup of tea to be filled to the brim and enjoyed with friends. Okay, that's so cute. I like that.
Mm-hmm. I would do a 5 out of 5. This is my go-to place. I love it.
You're gonna hate me.
Okay, well...
I got, like a 3.
I think if you tried, like the fruit teas,
honestly,
you'd like that.
No, not even the fruit tea. Just normal milk tea. This is not milk tea. This is milk. This is milk with, like, maybe a drop of tea, you know?
That is a charm.
All right, next we got Mr. Wish.
There was original Mr. Wish fruit tea, and then there was the
like
Wish
this,
Special fruit tea. This one's the Wish Special one.
Okay, let's try it. This is so good.
I like this.
This is, okay. There's no boba in this, so I can't rate that. I'll rate it when I try that.
Yeah.
But this is like the drink, like, I know, for example, my sister's the type of person that she goes to boba places and she doesn't like getting, like, teas, and she doesn't like getting milk teas, doesn't like getting green teas, so she ends up getting, like, strawberry lemonade, or, like, basically, like, juice. Okay. And I think this is a good drink for those type of people, because, like, you still want a nice drink, but you don't want to be paying, like, $5 for, like, a Simply lemonade.
That makes sense.
So I think this is really nice for that.
This looks like it has, like, substance in it. You know, it's not just like a regular
it's got,
juice.
like, orange and lemon slices in there.
Oh, wow. That's really nice, actually. I see, like, passion fruit seeds, too.
Yeah.
And pulp as well.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Yeah, I really like it. It's a really refreshing drink. Perfect for summer. If it was, like... If we were drinking this out in the 102-degree weather
which we were dealing with today, by the way.
It would have been so good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm really bad. I think I'll get this next time. Yeah. And I'm a very strictly milk tea person, other than that. That's not milk tea.
Okay, you know what? Oh, well. Let's try.
I really like this.
I want to try that. You're hyping this up, and I really need to try it.
Okay.
That is so good. This is so good.
Right?
What?
So this one, I'm getting like almondy flavors from this.
Yes. Yeah, I definitely tasted that when I tried it.
Right?
Yeah.
Like, it's different. Like, I feel like they would label this like an almond milk tea.
So it's called their pearl milk tea, and so it's not like your regular run-of-the-mill milk tea.
Right,
you know what I mean?
I don't know where they got pearl from.
I don't know.
But, I mean, it's good. It has like an almond taste, which I actually surprisingly really like.
I think it adds like a different dimension onto just like a regular milk tea.
Yeah.
Let's rate it.
Yeah, let's do that. So boba, I think is good. Like, boba was good.
Yes.
The drink, like the tea, good too.
Bomb.
They were great.
Yeah, their fruit teas, I think, are the things that you might want to
I think that's what they're known for more than the milk teas.
Yeah.
They're known for getting like their slushes. That's what I usually get. I get like a strawberry slush or something like that.
Honestly, with the fruit tea, it's really hitting it out of the park. Like,
yeah, this
5 out of 5.
specifically, honestly, I'd give it a 5 too. Next, we got Bubblicious.
I don't even want to reach for it.
Me and Sumaiya has some opinions. I think everyone that's ever been to Bubblicious has some opinions about Bubblicious.
Yeah. We feel a certain way about this. Right off the bat, we can see that the look of the tea is not very appealing.
Right.
I'm just gonna say
the cups.
Oh, also not very good quality. If you see in comparison to Yucha's, they don't do that.
And even Bubblicious.
Like, they don't really do that. And
they don't, unless you're like doing it like harder.
Exactly.
Right? But these ones, I'm literally like, holding it. And it's...
Exactly.
And it's, you know,
I feel like I'm holding
They've
like
got these weird like off-brand covers too.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. It just doesn't... I don't know. It's just something off, you
I feel
know?
like I'm holding like a bag full of.
Right? Like, you know, like in Canada how they have like bagged milk?
Yeah,
I'm holding bagged milk right now. Like,
I don't get it. Anyway, so let us go on try.
Okay.
This one is the milk tea, and
This is
then this
taro.
one is the taro
Plus
and
almond. I didn't get any boba.
It's not worth it.
It tastes soapy, but I'm gonna do
Soapy.
it for the boba.
That's uncalled for, Sophie. That's not. That's some milkless behavior right there, Sophie. I didn't appreciate this. I'm just gonna say it right off the bat.
Let's just try both of them and then we'll give our opinions.
You know what? That's fine. That's very mature of you.
I mean, they tried.
It doesn't do anything for me.
I wouldn't crave this, you know?
Yeah.
I crave all these
You know
places.
what? That is such a good way to explain it. There's no excitement here.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing that's bringing me back either. Like, to me,
I would go here only if my friends are going here.
True.
And only if they're begging me.
Not only that, I think I would roast them in the car.
I would be like, oh, this is,
I'd be like,
you know,
really?
you chose out of every,
Yeah.
there's so many boba places in South Jersey and
You chose this one? Yeah. So let's rate it. How would we do that? Maybe like...
I would give it a 3 if I'm gonna. Actually, you know what? No, I would give it a 4.
Really? I would give it a 3
Just because-
out of 5.
I mean, okay, if I was the store overall is really nice. Like, I really like that store. It's just the tea that I just okay, fine. Then I'll give it a 3.5.
You know, I'm just going to stick with 3 out of 5. And the reason why I'm giving it a 3 out of 5 is because the customer service was good and the store setup was nice.
Mhm.
Other than that, there was nothing else holding me to the store.
I don't want to come back here. You know.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Next one. Kung Fu tea.
Okay, let's just try it.
Yep.
It's Kung Fu. It was good.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
We got these 2 flavors. One is KF milk tea, so Kung Fu milk tea. And the other one is the mango green tea. This KF milk tea is really, really nice. I think I'm going to get it the next time.
Mm.
I want to try the mango green tea because before I thought that it was like bitter.
Yeah,
so I want to see
I
if
get
that's
that.
the case. Is it?
I get that.
I want to see.
I feel like with that one, it's not bitter for the first sip, but if you were to drink the whole cup, I see it.
See, it's bitter. See, it's mango green tea, and you can just taste that this green tea has been steeped for way too long because it's bitter.
The thing is, I'm like a green tea, like I love green tea.
I do too.
So I don't mind it that much, but I understand I wouldn't be able to drink the whole cup.
Yeah.
Because I like, you know, by like here, I would think it's too bitter and I'd stop.
Yeah.
Maybe if they had a little bit of sweetness in it, something like that. That's why I'm partial to milk teas, because I feel like a lot of green teas at boba places are bitter.
That makes sense.
You know?
But this is not just like your regular run-of-the-mill mango green tea. There are actually mango particles in here, which is really nice. It adds a little bit of more dimension to the drink itself. The boba is amazing.
The
I think
boba's
Kung
held
Fu
up
tea's
so well.
boba,
Like, so far,
yeah.
it's held up the best.
Yeah.
Okay, but out of 5...
5 out of 5.
5.
KFT has my heart.
I mean, yeah, exactly. Like, there's the emotional factor,
yeah.
but then there's also, like, it's freaking good. It's really good.
All right.
I love it. All
right.
right.
Last one. Soha has been
This is
raving
my
about this
favorite.
drink the whole
The
day.
Sakura, I think you have this. The Sakura Rose Milk Tea.
I want to try it so bad. She's been
It
hyping
is
this up all day. She says, what did you say it tastes like?
Faluda.
That's
It tastes like
crazy.
Faluda. If you like Faluda, like Ruafsa, like all like Desi
love
people, I
all
think
of
Desi people
those.
would love this.
I love all of those flavors. So it's called Sakura Rose Milk Tea.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
It's really good. Oh, by the way, Tito.
It's Tito. Yep. All right, let's try this.
That's really good.
Oh my God, Soha, you were so right.
Right?
You are so right. This tastes exactly like Faluda.
Mm-hmm. I love it.
That is so good. This milk tea is a little sweet for my taste. Like,
Oh, really?
too sweet. But it's still good. It tastes a little bit more on the side of, like, sugar milk rather than, like, sugar milk tea.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still good, and I think the quality of the boba really trumps it.
Yeah, I mean, I like both of these.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind a little bit of sweetness in my drinks, you know. All right, out of 5, I'm giving this place a 5. I love this place.
Honestly, before, if you hadn't introduced me to the Sakura Rose Milk Tea, it would be like maybe a 4 out of 5, but I'm giving it a 5 out of 5.
Yeah, everyone get this drink. Especially on this channel, like, the people watching this will really like
You
this.
need to try this drink.
You need it. Sakura Rose Milk Tea is so good. I love it.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video today.
We had so much fun making it for you guys. Seriously, like, I'm so happy I had an excuse to drink all this boba.
And I'm so happy that's how it dragged me into an excuse to have all of this boba.
If you guys want us to try out any other restaurants or anything like that, comment down below what you want us to try or any other type of videos you want us to be in.
Yes, we hope you heed all of our recommendations and you like what we did today.
These guys are liquid gold over here.
Yes, of course.
Come
Visit
on.
all of these places,
but mostly these three. Once again, I'm Soha.
And I'm Sumaiya.
And we are
the Double S Duo.
Okay, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mango Prime.
And visit us on all of our social media platforms.
Oh, yeah. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube.
You name it. We're everywhere.
We're on it. You'll see us on it. All right, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.